and capers roast cauliflower. I'm gonna throw in a tray of cauliflower slabs, really. These are cauliflower steaks with just olive oil, salt, and pepper. So we leave these guys in the oven until they get nice and brown at the edges and tender. See you later. Now we're moving on to a brown butter with capers, fried capers, for the top of the cauli. This is super simple. All we do is, let me turn this up just a hair now that we're over here. Melt butter, let it get nice and bubbly. Low temperature as this is starting to get nice and hot, right? Throw in some capers, drain the capers really well, throw them into the pan with some crushed garlic. The capers will get crispy at the edges and puff up a little bit, and eventually the butter turns a nice nutty brown. It smells great as the process is happening. You guys have had probably brown butter and sage sauce before. Same concept. We're just browning the solids that are separating out in the butter. So when this guy gets nice and bubbly and it starts to brown, stir in a big ol' honkin' spoonful, a rounded spoonful of grainy Dijon mustard, and then hit it with lemon juice. Delicious. We take our brown butter and capers and drizzle them all over with the lemon juice, all over our roast cauliflower. Amen, amen. Yeah, it's got the spicy brown mustard, the bright acidity of the lemon juice, the brown butter, so it's nice and nutty. Nutty good. And then we're going to take our chopped parsley and rosemary and put that over the top of all of that beautiful cauliflower.